Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes VLC player lagging and skipping when playing HD videos 2025 fix. First method is open VLC player. Click Tools, click Preferences. Check all. Select Input Codecs. Change preferred video resolution to Full HD. Change file caching to 2000. Expand video codecs. Click FFmpeg, change threads to 2. Select X264, number of frames to 3. Change to automatic. Click Save and exit. Second method is open VLC player. Disable hardware accelerated decoding, click Save. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.